if you have here, for example, of the 10K, you have deployed only 1K, okay? And then I will use another 1,000 to run a bot with a big max deviation that could enter the market with open deal ASAP, but a massive max deviation. So I'm talking about 70%, something like that.
So what do you mean by max deviation?
When we go to 3 commas to the bots and you create a bot here and you go to advanced, you're going to see here the max safety order price deviation. And by default, at the moment, we can see that the bot is using 1% to split the safety orders, but you can add more safety orders and you can split them by more percentage and even use a scale that spreads them apart in an incremental way. And as you change these parameters, you're going to see that you're covering more in this percentage there. So let me give an example. Let's say we put a safety order every 10% and we put 4 safety orders. So this is just for an example. Yes, you can see here, we already went to 50%. We are covering 50% to the downside. And if you open this table, you can see how the bot is going to behave. So it's going to open and buy here at 0%. And then if the price falls further 10% down, it will buy again another amount. And then at 20, 30, 40, and 50%. You can manipulate all these things as much as you want. And that can cover situations as bearish as you want. You can say, I want to design a bot that covers all this. And there's going to be a compromise, because if you do that, that bot is going to only profit big this day when you exit, or this day when you exit, actually. But the whole period here, it will be underusing the funds.
So essentially you have one bot and then you have other bots kind of securing the safety of the variables. So it's like the game of chess. If this move happens, you have this bot that's kind of behind it to protect it, and this bot that's aggressive in front of it that's otherwise going to be ready for whatever swing. And meanwhile, the one is getting to do all of the work with its protection behind it and in front of it.